Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your vocabulary with Babbel easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start scaling your vocabulary with Babbel, first, ensure you have the app installed on your device. Open the Babbel app and log in to your account. If you're new, create an account by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, select the language you want to learn or improve. Begin by exploring the course options available in your chosen language. Pick a course that focuses on vocabulary expansion. Once you select a course, review the topics covered in that course. Choose a specific lesson that interests you. Start the lesson by listening carefully to the pronunciation of each word. Repeat each word aloud to practice your speaking skills. Take note of any unfamiliar words and write them down. Use the built-in flashcard feature to create personalized vocabulary lists. Engage with interactive exercises to reinforce your learning. Make use of the review sessions to revisit previously learned vocabulary. As you progress, challenge yourself with more advanced topics. Consider setting a daily goal for learning new words. Utilize the speech recognition tool to improve your pronunciation. Join conversation practice sessions to use your new vocabulary in context. Interact with other learners within the app for a collaborative experience. Track your progress to stay motivated and see improvements. Lastly, don't hesitate to revisit lessons and review vocabulary regularly. This consistent practice will significantly enhance your vocabulary over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.